Hey guys, so if you want to know how to make the pattern, you can comment below so I can make the video. And this pattern is for 34 to 36 bust. And definitely first I'm going to cut the lace fabric, and just keep watching guys. This is super easy to make, and you're gonna love it, I'm sure. And this is super soft. You can wear this bra at night or in the summer. So yeah, keep watching. So now I am going to stitch with this lining fabric, and then I'm going to use the small elastic for straps, and definitely you have to make the curve first. So this is how I'm going to stitch this with this lining fabric and lace together, and that's it. This is the finished look guys. I have attached the strap under bust band, and also I have used hook in the back for better adjustment, and that's it. Hope you like it.